Here are the key steps to these key constructions for the benchmark. Takes practice. First step, measure the compass out over halfway to make a perpendicular bisector. Perpendicular bisector, straight through at a 90-degree angle, cutting it halfway. So first step, measure over half. With the point at one end of the line segment, draw a half circle. Switch it so the pointer is on the other end of the line segment and draw one more half circle. Where the half circles intersect, mark those with 2 points. Take your straight edge and make sure you draw a line through those 2 points best you can. That is a perpendicular bisector. This has been cut in half at a 90-degree angle. Next up, angle bisector. To cut this angle in half, first step, measure my compass in a way so I could draw an arc through both of those rays. Second, measure the angle exactly. You might have to adjust your compass down. With a tip on the first part where that arc intersected that ray and that compass measured to that angle, you're going to draw an arc. Then you're going to switch it so the tip is down where this part intersected, and you're going to draw another arc. Mark a line or make a point where those intersect. Take your straight edge and draw a line through the center of that angle, the vertex, through that line. That will cut this angle into 2 equal angles. These will be equal. I will be looking that this measurement right here is not the same as this. I will be looking for that. If you do that, you will lose credit. You can see someone who doesn't measure the angle, their arc will be up here. Someone who measures this angle exactly, I will see that their arc is going to be a different size. So I will be able to check that for full credit. Angle bisector. Next, rhombus. For the rhombus, first, measure your compass the full length of that line segment, the full length. Draw a half circle. Move your compass tip so it's at the other end and draw another half circle. Now pick anywhere on either one of these to have your third point. If you want it slanted more over to the right, you could put your third point right here. If you want it slanted to the left, you could put your point right here. I'm going to put my third point right about here. Probably a good idea to pick somewhere around here to have your third point. Now with the compass at this same measurement, I'm going to go to this spot I chose my third point to be, and I'm going to draw another arc. Where this arc intersects one of the previous half circles I drew, I'm going to draw my fourth point. And now take my straight edge and connect all 4. 1, 2, 3, and of course this is the 4th right there. There is your rhombus. All congruent sides equal sides, but you can see that the diagonals are not the same length. This is longer than this diagonal. So again, a rhombus, congruent sides, but not congruent or equal diagonals. Parallelogram. This is the hardest one of all, but I know you guys could do it. First step, extend the lines. Extend that line out and extend the bottom line. Now take your compass and measure it just underneath about that length right there. You want to draw an arc that connects these two lines. Next, with your compass at that size, move the tip up to A and draw another arc a little bit longer this time. Now take your compass and measure this angle exactly. You might have to adjust your compass a little bit. I need to move mine down a little bit to measure that angle exactly. Now I'm going to move the tip right up here. That's where I'm going to put it, right at the top. So put the tip of my compass right here, and I'm going to draw an arc with that size opening. Where those intersect, I'm going to mark it, and I'm going to take my straight edge and draw a line through those. Try to make your line parallel to the one beneath it. So adjust your compass or your straight edge a tiny little bit. You don't want it to be not parallel. You want it to look good. You want it to be parallel. So best you can through those 2 points, try to draw a parallel line. Extend it out. And now your third part, the last part, go back, remeasure this. I want you to use that size again, and move your tip to this spot right here where C is. Draw half circle, quarter circle. Again, pick your compass up and measure this angle exactly. Now you're going to move the tip of your compass right to here, way up there where that intersected, right here. And you're going to draw another arc. Where these two intersect, I'm going to mark it with a point and take my straight edge through C, through that point. That is your parallelogram. Parallelogram has these two sides parallel, these two sides parallel, but these lengths are not equal. It's not a rhombus. It's a parallelogram. Two pairs of parallel sides. I hope this video helps. I'll be here every day at lunch or break to help you.